In this video, we'll take a look at personal records on your Garmin 55. This is a good way to keep track of your personal running, biking, or swimming achievements while you're recording activities on the watch. Easy way to get to the screen here, we'll just press and hold on the up button right here and until we get our menu screen, and we're going to scroll down and select history with the start button. And from here, we're going to scroll down to records and we'll select start. And from here, we can view records in running, cycling, or swimming. Here, I'm going to choose running, and we can see our list of records. So I have 1 mile records, 1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, half marathon, and full marathon records. And I also have my longest run. And I have the option to clear all records. Now what I can do here is I can view a little bit more detail of each record. So for example, in the 1 mile, I can press on start and I can actually view the record. Gives us a nice little badge. Hit back. I can view the previous record or restore a previous record, or I can actually clear the record. So I'm just going to keep all these records, and these records are synced with a Garmin Connect. And that's about it. So that is quickly, and of course we don't have any records for cycling and we don't have any for swimming. So there you go, those are personal records on the Garmin Forerunner 55.